What's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to make money online in 2024. With the explosion of AI and other online tools, it's never been easier to make money online, and you can actually make money from online. I do it every single day. That's how I make my living. This video is all about AI. By using AI, how we can generate money. I don't have a normal 9 to 5 job. I work online to make money. Now, the myth that I am gonna show you in this video works worldwide. And we are gonna actually using AI in this video because it's exploding right now. And you really want to get into making money online using AI, or you are gonna miss out the trend and it's gonna be too late. AI is the next big thing and you don't want to miss this trend. Now what I am gonna do step by step how to make money online in 2024 with a very simple method that's free to try. So you can do this right now for free without spending any money. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money online using AI in 2024. And you can try this for free. Alright guys, now before we jump into this particular method, I want to show you something that's absolutely insane. So artificial intelligence is taken off right now and we are going to be using artificial intelligence in this method. But by 2032, AI has gonna become a 1.3 trillion market, as we can see, and it is growing at insane rate. We can actually look at the steps right now. We're around about 67 billion right now, as you can see, and then next year, 2024, it's gonna be 137 billion or something. Then next year, 200 billion, and then 300 billion. It's growing like 100 billion per year by turn 26. And then it's going up and up and up. So AI is huge and you want to get in early. So you want to get in down here somewhere rather than up here. You don't want to get enough here because all of the established companies are established now and it's going to be hard to break into the marketplace. Now we can obviously still make money then. But if you can break in down here, you are going to make huge amounts of money now and then all the way up to 2032 and beyond. This is the time to jump into AI income. So, to keep this super simple, we are gonna go over one particular product that is blowing up right now, and this is called Rust.ai. So, Rust.ai, this is a video translation software that will translate literally any language or a large amount that are listed here plus more. And this is completely fully AI, and what I am gonna do right now first is show you an example of how this works and actually already done for this tutorial. But you can go ahead and try this for free. It's completely free to try. There's lots of stuff here. So they have got all of these tools you can use. You can do translate YouTube videos. You can do video. You can do audio translator, translate for podcast. The speech convert to audio to text, add subtitles. There is so much stuff this particular software can do, and they have some other products as well. Now, what we can do is we can go ahead and we can upload a video, and I'll show you up right now. So, what you do is you are just gonna upload a video. I have actually already done this, but I'll just show you kind of what you do here. So, you can paste a link from YouTube. For example, you can choose a file from your computer, but let's just say we go and post one from YouTube. We pick a project name, we do auto delete and stuff like that. Now, the original language we would just put in something like English. I'd probably just do that rather than auto detect, and then we could transfer to something like Spanish, for example. Then it will translate the video for us. Now I have a friend that speaks Spanish and he confirmed that this is pretty accurate. He said it's very accurate actually, so this is actually works, and that is the outcome of uploading it into the software. So how can we actually go ahead and make money with this? I'm gonna show you 3 ways that you can make money with this software in 2024. It's very easy to do. Now we can know how to go ahead and translate the videos. One of the ways that you can go ahead and do this, as you can find English YouTube as so. For example, this guy here has an English YouTube channel, but he also has a Spanish one where he uploads Spanish versions of his English stuff. So if you click on here, it's in Spanish. He's gonna ahead and transfer his English videos to Spanish. Now, if we look at this guy here, he does videos in India. it seems he has a video in a different language than English. So we could go ahead and we can contact with this guy. And we can say, hey, we can turn your videos from your language to English, and you can go ahead and start an English YouTube channel if you like. And it's going to give him more reach, and he is going to hit our goal and make more money. So that's one of the ways you can make money. By doing this, is you could start your own company and you could create a page similar to this. You can create your own company where you translate people's videos and that are already online into a different language. They can spend on YouTube. That is one of the ways that you can go ahead and make money. Another way that you can make money is you can go to a website called fiverr.com. Now on Fiverr, people sell services with the translate videos. So here we go. I'll translate and add English or Spanish subtitles to your videos. Now if we actually click on this, we can see that he has 32 orders right now. We know that he's actually making money. Does a 30-minute pack for 87 New Zealand dollars. That's like 50 US, but he will do translation. If we actually go back to here, we'll see that there's others people that actually do it to this one here. 1,000 reviews as well. This is one here, 90 reviews. This is one, the 800 reviews. So we can that people are buying these services. Now I would say this is probably gonna be the easiest way to make money with this, and we know it works because we can see that people have tons of reviews and they are actually making money doing this because they have got sales coming in. Another place we can do this, we can go to Upwork. We could list our services. This lady here charges $30 per hour. This guy here charges $40 per hour. This person here charges $40 per hour. Now, what you can do is you can go ahead and you can. So, this is essentially a profile. So, you go ahead and create a profile. And I don't know much about her profile, but you create a profile that lists your services. And what you can do, you might want to mention that you do use AI. It's up to you. But it would be good to do that. You can list your services. So for example, we can go back to Rust. We can say, hey, we can do things like video translation. We can do video to text. We can add subtitles. We can do transcription for podcast. We can do text to speech. So you could go ahead and you can list that on your profile on what you can actually achieve. This is kind of what she done here. Text to text, a voice to text, and vice versa, and stuff like that. I'm not getting into everybody's profile and exactly what they do, but figure out what you can do of the software. Be creative, and then you can go ahead and list yourself on Upwork. Now, another way to make money with Rust, and this is not actually doing video translation. If you scroll down the bottom, this is a little bit different. You can make money doing this as well if you do have time to do it. Scroll down to bottom and it says here become an affiliate. If you click on that, it will take you to this page right here where you can become an affiliate for the program, which means that if you promote this program, what will happen is this: you will get paid a commission. So if you refer to people, you could earn 670. If you refer 5 people, you could earn 1,000. If you refer 10 people, you could earn 3,000. Actually, would not be very difficult to refer people to this program because it's new and it's mind blowing up right now. So you just click to become an affiliate. Now what you can do is you can now go ahead and you can promote it on YouTube by doing tutorials on the program. For example, this guy has a video which is called how to translate video to any language with AI, and if you go start here, you click on this link. What's gonna happen? It's gonna take us to rust.ai. You'll see it says source traffic via website. So their affiliate code is website. That's their thing, and that's because these guys, their website is called sorry. The YouTube is called Website Learners. The affiliate code is called website. So they would make a commission if you go into their paid plans. So you could also do that as well. And I would highly recommend you do that because it's a great way to make money, whether it be on the side we can actually turn that into a full-time job. But if we go back to Rust tutorials, you will see that there's other people doing tutorials as well on the specific things. This guy here, free tools to translate videos. This will be an affiliate links to a specific time. So that's another way you can go ahead and make money with Rust AI. Alright guys, that's it for this video. You can actually go and I am join the community as well to get more ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Don't subscribe, take the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.